What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jay from Guns-N-Dobies on the gram. Today I just want to do a quick overview on MedKits. This was my first IFAK. I took a TAC med class with a Monarch Defense. It's like a mini TCCC class, and it exposed me to a lot of first aid and trauma things that I was doing right, things I needed to learn, things I needed to study, some techniques I can use, and stuff I needed to have in a med kit. So this is my first med kit. It's a condor drink. Got my tourniquet, Gen2. Shout out to HTX Tactical, dopest gun store in Houston. This is my condor med kit. Got first aspirin and Advil, my nasal phalangeal tube go down your nose. Call this the boo-boo kit. Got more like band-aids, gauze, stuff like that, burn ointment, things like that. Got my RATS tourniquet, and I got my quick clot trauma pack. So this was my first attempt, my first go at it, learning some new things. I was like, man, this thing is too big. I can't carry this at the range all the time. I don't want to carry it at the range all the time. Had it in class. This thing was bulky. I was like, nah, I'm good. So after having this, I decided to get this baby. It's a Vanquest FATPACK. I think this is it's a 5x8 Vanquest FATPACK. This is my IFAK, the joint I take to the range all the time. I love this joint. I love the way the zippers pop out, like the compartments. Got slots here, slots here. Another nasal, phalangeal, whatever. Got my gloves up in this compartment. I mean, this thing is dope. I'm gonna load this out real quick. So I got my North American Rescue hyphen chest seal twin pack. Slide that in there. Got my another quick clot trauma pack. Slide that in there. And man, this little thing, I can put a lot in this thing. For my RATS tourniquet, let me start to zip this thing up, because once you start getting packing, it's a little, Another North American Rescue, got a emergency trauma dressing. This is similar to Israeli bandage. Slide that in there. Got my Z-Pack dressing. Slide that in there. Actually, let me get up there. Get this thing started. There, like that. Got my other tourniquet. Slide that in the side. You get the picture. So this compared to this, I get a lot of trauma accessories in this one. This has more of your first aid, some trauma, road trip. Take both of them on a road trip. But for this joint, this stays in the car. This one I take to the range. If you haven't taken the class, if you out there at the range, homies, take your class. If something happened at the range, you want to know how to address it. Alright? That's the IFAK. Peace!